we're going to get into a little bonus time here because I do want to do some examples and I want y'all to get confident with this, all right? So it's kind of what I call catching them all, all right? So bonus time, we're going to catch them all, all right? So let's just pick some random numbers. Let's pick 9, let's pick 12, let's pick 15, and let's pick 17. All right, so let's try, and we're going to try and factor using these numbers, all right? So first one, 9, all right? 9. One of the ways to make 9 is, of course, 1 times 9. Your first factor pair on all of these factor trees are going to be 1 times the number itself, all right? 9 is an odd number. So according to this, odd numbers don't have even factors. So we can't even work with any even numbers. They won't work, all right? So let's try the next odd number is 3. And we know that 3 groups of 3 is actually 9. So we have caught them all because I have a repeating digit down here. That means that I can't find any other factors besides 1, 3, and 9. So the factors for 9 are 1, 3, and 9. All right, so let's look at the number 12. 12, obviously our first factor pair is 1 times 12. Oh, we should also mention that that means 9 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors, right? Sorry, that's an important part. All right, so composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Prime numbers have only 2 factors. Okay, so 9 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. So look at 12, 1 times 12. Remember, 12 is even, so all even numbers have a factor of 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. We can also make 12 with 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. And now you can see we don't have a repeating number, but we do have the next number in the sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. We've caught them all because we have the next number. If it's a repeating number, 3 and 4, then that also means that you've caught them all. All right, so bonus. All right, we found all of our factors. We have a factor of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. That is definitely a composite number. All right, let's take a look at 15. 15. To factor out 15, we obviously start with the pair that makes sense. We could actually use a cheat code with 15. We honestly could have used the cheat code with the 12 as well, but let's check out this cheat code. The sum of the digits in the number are divisible by 3. 3 is a factor. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so I know for a fact that 3 is a factor of 5 or 15. And how many groups of 3 make 15? 5. We know that 15 is odd, so we'll have no even factors, so there's no more numbers. The next odd number after 3 is 5, so we've caught them all. Once again, that is a composite number because we have more than 2 factors. 1, 3, 5, and 15 are our factors, so it is composite. All right, so let's take a look at 17. All right, let's try our trick. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3, so that's not going to work. We do know that it has one factor pair, at least, of 1 times 17. So we also know, according to our cheat codes, odd numbers don't have even factors, so we don't even have to try any even numbers. So let's just go through and try and think. 3. 3 times anything equals 17? Well, 3 times 3 is 9, and then the next odd number is 5. 3 times 5 is 15, and then the next odd number is 7. 3 times 7 is 21. So 3 is not going to work. We know 5 is not going to work because all factors of 5 will end in 0 or 5. So 5 will definitely not work because all factors of 5 end in 0 or 5. 7 won't work because 7 times 1 is 7 and 7 times 3 is 21. That's already too big. 9 won't work because 9 times 1 is 9 and 9 times 2 is 18. All right, so that's not, or we have to go to an odd number because it's 17. 9 times 3 is 27. That's way too big. So we cannot make 17 in any other way other than 1 times 17. We caught the factors. Our only 2 factors are 1 and 17. So this is in fact a prime number. So we have found prime numbers and composite numbers with factor trees. So you can find out whether a number is prime or composite by factoring or by even using the cheat codes.